The 2016 2500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power steering, dual front airbags, power locks, radio data system, air conditioning, AM/FM stereo radio. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.